The air quality forecast for Saturday in the Fayetteville area is 37, or code green. Air quality is good, with a primary pollutant of small particulate. The following messages for the following counties in North Carolina: Bladen, Columbus and Robeson, and Dillon, South Carolina. Frost advisory in effect from 4 a.m. to 8 a.m. Sunday. What? Temperatures as low as 36 will result in frost formation. Where? Portions of southeast North Carolina and northeast South Carolina. When? From 4 a.m. to 8 a.m. Sunday. Impacts: frost could harm sensitive outdoor vegetation. Sensitive outdoor plants may be killed if left uncovered. Take steps now to protect tender plants from the cold. Repeating, a frost advisory has been issued from 4 a.m. Sunday until 8 a.m. Sunday for the following counties in North Carolina: Bladen, Columbus and Robeson, and Dillon, South Carolina.